Even though there is room for 4, I have all of this space for myself. Out here, wow, amazing. So this is where I will be staying for at least 1 month. This is how the main building looks like. And when you enter, we have the reception. Very busy today with Manon being in charge. Up is like the little common area where you can sit, and then over here we have the kitchen at last. Yeah, the window is a bit dirty. We are at this little area. It is time for lunch. We are hungry. Welcome back to my 9th episode of my 12-part series recapping my life in Japan. I have officially made the big move to Kochi, Shikoku. And let me tell you, it's been an adventure from day one. I started volunteering at this beautiful nature resort tucked away in a super remote forest. We're talking no traffic, no noise, just birds, trees, and the occasional rustle of leaves. It's like living in a real-life Studio Ghibli movie. Now here's where it gets crazy. The manager of the resort, turns out it's Manon. You won't believe this, but we actually knew each other from about 10 years ago. We lived in the same share house and even studied at the same university back in Tokyo. Talk about a small world, right? Since it's low season, it's been pretty chill, just me and Manon running the place most days. And honestly, it's been such a blast. We have been catching up, reminiscing, and tackling everything from guest prep to cutting grass. It's kind of surreal, but so much fun. About a week in, we got another volunteer that would stay with us for 2 weeks. Which meant that I would have to share my cabin just for a little while. But that's okay. Today's lunch is Chinese, made by my lovely Chinese roommate, Yuan Bao.
Hi.
Itadakimasu. And here we have Manon, being a little ass as always. I'm just kidding. The air conditioner.
I mean, your balls.
What?
You just said you mean something your balls off.
I'm sweating my balls off.
Yeah, but you don't need them. You don't need your balls.
No, I don't need balls. Dude, it's so hot and humid here in Shikoku, and Manon never turns on the air conditioner. Now she did. I'm like, oh, finally. My Norwegian body is not used to this kind of heat and humidity. But anyway, here is dinner. It was not good enough for Yuan Bao, so she's making more food. Of course, I didn't spend the whole month just relaxing. I was volunteering, so I definitely did my fair share of work. I cleaned the cabins, used a high-pressure washer, trimmed grass, cleaned the camping trailers, and even tackled some deep cleaning in the main house. On our days off, we jump in the car and head out on an adventure. Shikoku is pretty remote, so having a car is an absolute must if you want to go anywhere. One of the many cool places that we visited was a zipline park called Forest Adventure. And get this, the best part, we had the entire place for ourselves. No waiting, no queuing, just us zipping through the trees like kids. It was such an epic experience. Oh, my ass again! Nice! Good job! My favorite part of staying in Shikoku was hands down the amazing road trips with Manon. She's such a generous person, always asking me where I wanted to go, what I wanted to see, and what I'd like to do. Like this stone. If you pass through it, you will be blessed with happiness and luck. Oh my god. Get both hands?
Yes.
This is embarrassing. Oh, I can do it, I can do it. Oh no, my boobs are gonna show. So elegant. I'm so happy right now. I'm through the hole in the stone, and I feel all the happiness inside me now. Let's go. This is a local umeshu. So over there is the brewery itself, I guess. And now we're gonna go to a company at some point.
Kochi 市で住んでるからね。
One of my hobbies is collecting goshuin, which are beautiful stamps or calligraphy you can get at shrines and temples in Japan. And Shikoku is a goshuin collector's paradise. This island is famous for something called Ohenro, a pilgrimage to visit 88 sacred temples scattered all around Shikoku. Since we didn't have time to do the entire pilgrimage on foot, we took the car and traveled from temple to temple. We didn't visit all 88 of course, but the journey itself was incredible. We drive through stunning landscapes, stop to soak in the atmosphere and just enjoy the peaceful vibe of each place. And the best part, if we saw anything interesting along the way, we'll pull over and explore. Whether it was a sake brewery, a shrine, some adorable stray cats, or even just a convenience store to grab snacks. I'm so grateful for those road trips and everything I got to see in Shikoku. It's such a beautiful and unique part of Japan, and sharing it all with Manon made it even more special. Take a look at this beautiful view. Oh my god. I love it. Now we are at the top of the mountain. Oh, we found another place to eat at, but that one was also closed. A bunch of people here. Maybe we can get some food. We got like multiple small dishes, a little bit of everything. That's a huge bell. It looks like a little town actually. These trees are massive. One of the most bizarre places I visited in Japan was Nagoro no Sato, also known as the Scarecrow village. Nestled into the mountains of Shikoku, this village is famous for its eerie yet fascinating collection of life-sized scarecrows. The story behind these figures is both heartwarming and really haunting. The village has seen a declining population over the years, and the local artist Tsukimi Ayono began creating scarecrows to represent the people who once lived there. Walking through the village felt like stepping into a surreal scene where these scarecrows stood in fields, homes, and even sitting at the bus stop, giving the village a strange, eerie, nostalgic feeling. And that's how I spent September in Shikoku, working and relaxing at the remote nature resort and traveling around with Manon. Woo! To top it all off, I ended my stay with a beautiful fireworks show, and I also tried surfing. Let's just say that surfing is really difficult and I really need more practice to be able to do it. But I did my best and it was a lot of fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next episode. Mata ne!